morning light, Tom woke up ready to fight. Not a fight that's mean or scary, just a chase with little Jerry. Jerry peeked out from his hole, wiggled whiskers, feeling bold. Good morning, Tom, he laughed aloud, then zipped away, quick and proud. Tom went running, thump, thump, thud, slipped a little, landed, but Jerry giggled soft and small, dancing near the kitchen wall. Around the sofa, under chairs, up the curtains, down the stairs. Tom jumped high, Jerry went low, fast as lightning, zoom, he'd go. In the kitchen, clang, bam, pop, pots went rolling, never stop. Jerry hid inside a cup, Tom looked down, then picked it up. Surprise! The cup went clink, clash! Water made a funny splash. Tom stood wet from tail to toe. Jerry waved and yelled, hello! Outside now into the yard. Tom ran fast, he tried so hard. Birds went chirp and bees went buzz, watching all the silly fuss. Jerry tripped, oh no, oh dear! Tom stopped short instead of cheer. He helped Jerry to his feet. Racing's fun, but friends are sweet. They shared some cheese, they shared a grin, then laughed so hard they fell again. Best of friends though they may fight, chasing games from morn till night. When the moon said, time for bed, Tom just yawned and Jerry said, same time tomorrow. Tom said yes. Another chase you couldn't guess.